ปลอดภัยของท่านกรุณานั่งประจำที่พร้อมทั้งรัดเข็มขัดนิรภัยให้เรียบร้อยท่านสามารถเปิดใช้ห้องน้ำและกลับไปยังที่นั่งของท่านพร้อมรัดเข็มขัด
Hi guys, welcome to Kathmandu. Or mo biyahe mi pa ayun sa Lukla. Going to Lukla, one of the world's most dangerous airports. So good luck to me. First day going to Lukla for my Everest Base Camp. And there is my guide, Tipa. Good luck to us. Welcome to Lukla, an airport in between valleys.
Kecilin lang nito deh.
Welcome to Pakding. Yeah, look at the tea house. It's very nice. Very cold. Not that much. It's my first day in the trek, Everest Base Camp trek. So tomorrow would be Namche Bazaar. Good morning from Pakding. So karon guys, padulong mi sa Namche Bazaar. So grabe katugnaw diri. It's my day 2 here in Everest Base Camp. Everest Base Camp trek. So see you in a moment. Say hello to the people of the Philippines.
Oh, it's a sing moon. No? What happened? Moon.
Finally, you've seen a yak. Yak. Zoe, here's the yak.
Oh, Laure Dai from Philippines. Right side. Okay.
Oh.
Good, very good. Hmm?
Because we are the 3 idiots.
We're
The first idiot, the second idiot, and I'm the 3rd idiot. And we're ready. So yeah, you help me.
Dum chak dum tan tan. Tan tan dum chak dum 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 tan tan.
Idiots.
कंफ्यूजन है सोल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं सोल्यूशन जो मिला था साला क्वेश्चन क्या था पता नहीं बात बात पे गरबाई
Oh, okay.
दिल पे के हाथ यूज तू फसला ले इडियट है प्यार से उसको समझा ले होंठ घुमा सीधी बजा के बोल भैया ऑलवेज वेल हर लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे तय होगा
Slowly.
कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होंठ घुमा सीधी बजा के बोल भैया ऑलवेज वेल अरे ब्रदर ऑलवेज वेल अरे बकरे ऑल इज वेल अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल
Up. Yeah.
इट्स सिंपल ना 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 ना
But it's hard. Careful.
अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल ओके आई मीन
All right. Hello.
Summer time they come to like this one in summer.
In.
Summer time.
So summertime, yeah.
Yeah, the monsoon season.
Yeah.
It's rain then. Asta, Namche se. From Namche se.
Follow me. Okay. Off, Steph. Hello. Hello, Nandu.
Hi.
You say hi to hi
All
to the
your
Filipino people.
Hi, Philippine people. How are you doing?
माल पोखेको हो पोखेको हो कि झै
Smell से पता कर लिया. So the smell. You
Beer.
recognize the smell?
Smells
No,
beer.
it's whiskey.
Ah.
Local whiskey.
Whiskey, but it smells beer for me.
No. That's what I'm telling him. See, we recognized it through smell itself.
Yeah. And we are now in
Namonju.
Yeah.
Manju, this place. We have lunch.
here.
No.
Ahead.
Sal. Jor Sali.
Okay. Say hello to your fans.
चारमा खाने साथ
Dogs, this friendly. Oh, so are you asking for food? Oh, so you're asking for food, but there's no food. So sorry, doggy. Hello and welcome again. So we're here in our restaurant for lunch.
You want dal bhat?
Yeah.
Dal bhat?
Dalbat? Yep. The one same yesterday. I like it. I like
You
it.
already ordered dal bhat. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Me too.
Nice.
Me too is delicious.
Yeah. I
Me
like-
too.
Me too.
Oh, yeah, me too cha. And delicious.
Well, what's with me too?
Me too cha is delicious.
Yeah. Well.
Delicious. Me too. Delicious.
दाल भात में तो.
Me too cha.
Okay. Sige. Go.
Yeah,
Go.
yeah,
Go, go.
delicious.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Me too cha is
Yeah.
delicious.
I love it.
दाल भात है खाने.
I don't know what's really mito, but
Mito is it's nice food. It's delicious food.
yeah.
In Nepalese.
What is this?
For the donkeys.
Alright, we're finally sitting on a 3,000 meter elevation. Nami karon din sa Top Danda. Paingon sa Namche Bazaar. Hello from Top Danda. It's our second day din sa Mount Everest Base Camp. Hangak. Kaya kabagting-bagting ang mga abi na akong horse na di na kabayo. They're actually donkeys.
Namche Bazaar. Just few meters away.
No, it's 4 hours away from here.
Yes,
Yeah.
5 hours actually. It's actually 5 hours away.
5 hours
And
away.
then only up. Also, the slant is not even 45. It's almost 70.
Poor dear. Poor dear. Grabe katugdaw. Diba kung amigong gwapo.
It's so cold.
Taas ilong.
Ah.
Yeah. Ako po taas ilong. Finally, welcome to Namche and Namche Bazaar. I don't know. After that, kapoy game of it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We'll see you on the way back.
Thank you very much.
All good?
Yeah, you? Hey, thanks, Rob.
Thanks for what?
You know, the discount.
I'm only working 3 jobs, Doug. It's the least I can do, mate.
I know you didn't have to do it, though, and I appreciate it.
Let's just get you to the top this time.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So cold, bugda kayo. Wow. Yeah. So this is the pharmacy, guys. Walay tao. And they have the pharmacy. So a pharmacy at 3,000 elevation. Imagine that. And here the steakhouse.
Come inside.
Finally,
Oh, yeah, black lip.
nalagyan mi sa amuang tea house. Yeah.
Welcome.
Hello, may hapon sa tanan.
Namche Bazaar. Lemon coffee. Namche.
Namche Bazaar.
Milk coffee.
Proud Pinoy, San Miguel Beer.
नहीं शुगर ज्यादा डालना पड़ता है
San Miguel Beer
पानी है
diri
तो
sa
मैं मिलता है
bukid sa Namche. Bukid ni siya. It's a village in the Everest Base Camp. Proud. The name Namche. Yeah, Namche Bazaar, Namche. It's like a city an oasis, a city, an oasis for Everest trekkers. Yeah, yeah, Everest mountaineer, Everest summiter. This is their last point for buying all stuff.
Very, very busy place.
Yeah, but this time at this season, it's this is Namche Bazaar down there. And then what's that mountain?
Thame,
Tame.
Gaudi Shankar,
Yeah.
and Kongde. Kongde.
Tame, Konde.
Kongde.
Yeah, Konde. I can. Namche.
Namche Bazaar.
Yeah, that's it.
And Gorakshep. Very, very famous. And Everest view.
That's my guide.
Oh,
You say,
Namche Bazaar.
you say, Maayong buntag, Philippines. You say that?
Maya Buddha.
Maayong buntag,
Mayong Buntak.
Philippines.
Hotel Everest view.
Hotel Everest View. Hotel at 3,880 meters above sea level. Hotel, so guys, sitting up and see the perfect view of Mount Everest. And we have a perfect weather. Guys, perfect ang weather, guys. Blue sky. The best experience here in Everest. Everest Hotel Everest View, and about 880 meters, and my second glimpse of Mount Everest. So muna siya ka nagamatay kay dito nga layo ng Mount Everest.
some pangboche.
Hambuche.
Yes.
And we have a very good weather today.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Yes.
And here's my friend, my guide. Yeah. Our day
Starting
number four, fourth day.
four, I guess. Yeah.
Fourth day.
More 3 days to go for the EBC.
Wow.
More 4 days.
All right.
Wow. How close do you get? I think I would have made a run for it.
Every day I wake up thinking that.
Why didn't you do it?
Because I turned him around. 1:15 at the South Summit. Bad conditions. We weren't going to make our 2 p.m. turnaround. It's all good and well to make the top, Beck, but you pay me to bring you down safely. Remember that.
Okay. It's eating him.
One of our Sherpas, Tenzi, he had an accident.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Fell while fixing one of the ladders on the ice fall. It's not good. Had to bring him down.
We're going down that the river side. You can see how
Small city.
Oh,
we take lunch there.
and then we climb all the way up.
All the
But then
Tamboche.
that house, you said the
Tangboche.
Tangboche.
And next one, Tamboche.
You can just
Stop now.
go ahead. Go. It's nearer here.
नहीं पर इधर तो कहीं को ऐसा लिखे हुए थे।
Just imagine that it's in less than a day if you choose this route.
That's a Gokyo lecture and yeah.
But we're
It's within 21
picking
hours.
this route.
It's basically like
Ohayo gozaimasu. I mean, there's no snow. There's no snowfall at all. But it's really cold, and you can see there's an ice. Yeah, free ice. Yep. Oops. Yeah, just free ice. So it's very dry all the way to the base camp now. One and a half hours pasakar na permente.
12:30 now it's
Yeah,
almost
yeah. So grabe.
1 and a half.
This is the
1:53 now.
so yeah. So kaulay sa aming tanan. Ayan, look. Pisking hangin. Pero wala ko nag-alala. Instead, I'm trying to breathe with my nose.
Muli mga turun kamera ka ng
Nice, right? And the locals here. kung pangayo og ice dira. Gawa may snow pero nagi ice. And ladies and gentlemen, mga nangingangan og ice, aniya ang ice. And we've stayed overnight here at the
Good luck.
hotel.
Hotel good luck.
Good luck because I was very tired last night. And yeah, we're going now to
Good hotel.
yeah, good luck hotel. We're going now to Ding Buche.
Ding Buche.
Another good person, guys. Grabe ka tugnaw dire. Iga nga tugnaw. Seeing walay snow pero gaay.
Himalaya.
And those are the Himalayas mountain.
Mountain Kongden. Namche ko.
Oh,
And Amada
Yeah.
Blom over there.
Amada. Right. Yeah. Grabe tugnaw. Tugnaw nga igang. Hello. We are having a quick break here in
Sumari.
Sumari. That's
40
4,040
meters.
meters above sea level. And I'm having my garlic soup because gusto ko Bisaya pero pag English kay ayaw magkasinabot. Yeah, garlic soup. Pwede labad yun. Karon sa nanata karon din sa Ding Buche at the altitude of 4,400 yeah 4,400 meters above sea level. So kami ka tugnaw and then medyo kapoy kay nga trick. So I have a very good view of siya, Himalayas. Bilabad akong ulo. Yeah. Bug ng lipong. Kapoy. So medyo lutaw akong naglutaw akong ulo. Naglabad. Sakit akong panggugo. Tugnaw po yung kayo. Karpet na rin.